I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on livestock market today. Cattle was up. The futures did find a buyer after yesterday's decline. I mean, the market really got hit hard really close to the close. But now that we're getting again close to the close again, we find the market moving up, and it's basically erased everything that happened yesterday. The on-feed report is coming after the close shortly, and it seems that the traders don't know exactly which way to go. That sell-off really triggered some follow-through, selling, and it's got everyone really nervous. But it certainly shows that there is a lot of traders on the sideline and not sure which way to go. The climate in the trade this time of year normally lends itself to a little bit more volatility, and so we're going to watch that closely. We know that when we had the big run up in the cattle, it did hit some resistance points. So now we can see exactly like where the top is, where we have to break through. But right now the market's been a little bit wild, and as we can see, the feeders also rebounded, and today's gain really offset most of yesterday's losses and then some. So the condition here just means choppy markets, high volatility, big swings overall, and we're going to watch that closely until we get our numbers from the on-feed report. The expectation is that we're going to have placements or supplies are going to be 7% maybe higher than last year. Now, if those numbers don't pan out, we could see a big move in the market on Monday, but definitely we're going to see a lot more volatility. The hogs were mixed today. The futures really were steady after yesterday's big drop. High volatility again on the pork futures, and we're going to see that's happening for a while. Now, I know that the traders in the hog complex have absolutely been, have had the market moving higher for a long time, and they basically have shaken off a lot of the bearish news with a higher production and the heavier weights, more supplies in the pipeline, and that's been shrugged off now. And so the market's kind of settling in here, just kind of like moving today, just moving sideways. It's mixed. No one's really sure which way to go here. We're looking for more fundamental news to give us a little insight into what direction. The sentiment is a little bit on the lower side, but we haven't really seen a big sell-off. We have had a couple of drops, but the market is still going to be very choppy. We expect that to continue over the next couple of weeks. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.